The car mover has transformed the way we're able to handle immobile vehicles on site. Previously, we used to use go jacks to get the vehicle mobile.
We would normally rustle up 6-7 guys. We would have to get the vehicle into neutral, but then we won't have the steering assist. So one guy will be in there trying to turn in the electric steering when it's not working. Sometimes you have to have 2 guys pulling the steering wheel, turning it, and it's a bit of a palaver with so many people involved.
Well, with the skates, we couldn't go through that entrance because it's got a little lip going up. So we have to go all the way around. Plus, you have to get the people to do it if it's a big, heavy vehicle. So that used to take quite a long time, probably 15 minutes, I'd say.
We're a big workshop, so we can get 6-7 guys, but if you're a small workshop, you can really struggle with a heavy car like this, 3 tonne.
Being such a large site, we needed a better solution. If an immobile vehicle arrives with us today, our workshop are instructed that it's here. A technician will then
Get the car mover,
take it to the front car park
and park it out the back all by myself now, so it saves us a lot of time and effort.
Quite easily, they jump on the machine, just bring it in.
It's just a lot more convenient and easier with this machine.
Having a recovery vehicle arrive on site is never an image that a dealer wants to have. Having the car mover to be able to move that vehicle professionally and safely delivers the best image we can. The training was really simple. Everard arrived and within an hour, each of the technicians were fully trained on the equipment, on how to use it safely and confidently. Today with the car mover, we've been able to reduce the amount of downtime in the workshop and increase our productivity by approximately 1 hour per breakdown that arrives on site.
As I say, with the car mover, no problem, I'm straight in there by myself. Job done.